And then now when we do that, watch and see what I go on. Who them will vote for? Me not have to buy a man a beer. Because you have some little licky people too, you know, talking about beer. You have some little licky people. When them see the MP then come around, the first thing them want, yo, buy a drink, no?
You serious?
Buy some liquor, no? Really, yo? That's why the MP them afraid to come around too. Because the little licky people them, all them want is handouts. And you never hear them tell the man them say, yo, I want the road fix, I want the water fix, I want the lighting condition fix. They want likes, they want liquor, and they want food. What wrong with most Jamaican people? I know me not talk about everybody, me talk about people who don't know me I talk about.